Do you also dream of achieving financial independence? Well, what if I tell you that this dream could become a reality just by adopting some simple money habits? Yes, you heard it correct. In this video, I will be telling you 8 simple money habits which you must follow to get rich and be financially free. Watch the video till the end as the last habit is most important. Now let's start. 1. Develop a budgeting strategy. If you don't have a strategy for your money, you won't succeed. At the end of every month, you'll instead be left pondering where your money went. That is a recipe for financial downfall, not financial independence. If you're not on a budget, financial independence is unattainable. If you don't instruct your money where to go, you'll be left money at the end. Before the month begins, assign each dollar a task and keep tabs on your spending all through it. You may always change the amount in those categories if you often spend too much or too little money there. Setting up a budget is crucial for getting your money in order, but it doesn't stop there. Even if you become wealthy, you must continue to create a different budget each month. You need a strategy, regardless of your financial situation. Nobody ever wins the major championship game by accident, and you won't get wealthy either. The first step to deliberately accumulating wealth is budgeting. By downloading every dollar, you can start setting up a budget with confidence and take charge of your finances right away. 2. Permanently eliminate debt from your life. It's time to get rid of whatever debt you may have, such as credit card debt, school loans, or auto loans. Why? You can never truly be financially free as long as you continue to send banks and lenders several $100s your hard-earned cash each month in debt payments. Your most effective asset for accumulating money is your income. And if all you have to work with is the meager sums that remain after paying off your credit card debt and student loan obligations, you won't achieve your financial objectives. You may create the groundwork for long-lasting wealth creation by paying off your debt. Before you begin tackling your debt, ensure that you have $1,000 saved and set aside for emergencies. You don't want an unforeseen cost to stop you in your tracks. This is a wonderful plan for you because most individuals who start budgeting feel like they got paid more. Spend all of that additional money towards your lowest debt until it is paid off. Then, keep the snowball moving. While paying off debt is a difficult task, there is nothing quite like the satisfaction of keeping the money you earn each month. I would like to request you to subscribe our channel and press the like button also. 3. Make financial plans. Everyone aspires to financial independence. What a wonderful dream! But a wish is all that a dream is without a purpose. Setting financial objectives, such as paying off debt or accumulating money for retirement, is crucial on your path to financial independence. They offer you a goal to strive for. Suppose you have a strong desire to pay off your debt. Although having that goal is wonderful, it is insufficient. Here's a quick conversation with self. What much of debt do you want to eliminate? Is it $20,000? Good, we're making progress at last. What date do you want to be debt-free by? How does 1 year sound? Done. And there you have it, a clear, quantifiable objective that is personalized to you and has a strict time frame attached. I aim to pay off $20,000 in debt in a year. Now all you have to do is put it on paper and pursue it while keeping it in mind. 4. Save cash for unforeseen expenses. You need an emergency fund that is completely filled if you want to become wealthy. It serves as a barrier between you and unforeseen life events like auto repairs, broken appliances, and medical deductibles that affect all of us. As a result, after you're debt-free, you should raise your emergency fund to pay for 3 to 6 months' worth of costs. You'll feel more secure if you have the money on hand to deal with an unforeseen life crisis, and having this money is essential to your entire financial strategy. You'll notice that your budget has more wiggle room after your savings account is completely funded. You won't feel any remorse at all when you say yes to specialty lattes and extravagant shopping. Again, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel. 5. Make retirement investments. With a strategy for short-term savings in place, you're now prepared to work with a financial advisor who can assist you in maximizing your long-term investment alternatives. Your money has more time to grow the earlier you start investing. That demonstrates the effectiveness of compound growth. Start by utilizing any tax-advantaged retirement plans that are offered to you via your place of employment, such as your 401k or 403b. The National Study of Millionaires found that 8 out of 10 millionaires contributed to the 401k plan of their employers, which was crucial to their financial success. Your retirement investment should be 15% of your income. Take advantage of the match that your company may give on 401k contributions if it is available. Give free money a chance. It's fantastic if your employer offers a Roth 401k with a variety of reliable mutual funds. There, you may put all 15% of your money. However, if you have a traditional 401k, put the first 15% of your contributions up to the match and the remaining 85% into a Roth IRA. Go back to your 401k if you still have 15% of your retirement savings available after maxing out a Roth IRA. 6. Look for methods to save costs. It's time to examine your spending patterns if you haven't taken a close look at just what you're spending your money on each month. It's simple to get caught up in everyday life and forget about the gym membership you bought at the start of the year but haven't been in a while. Or all those subscriptions to streaming services you made despite the fact that you only watch a few hours of television every week. It's time to stop using such services, which will enable you to make significant financial savings. You'll save time and money by doing this. 7. Look for ways to earn money in the background. For a variety of reasons, earning passive income is crucial. It can provide you a feeling of financial stability, aid in the achievement of your financial objectives, and free up more time for the activities you like, for example, watching movie. For many people, becoming financially independent and moreover getting rich is a key objective. An excellent approach to achieve this is through passive income. It refers to generating income with little to no work and is a fantastic method to generate money while engaging in a hobby you like. 8. Make big purchase plans. Since you won't be taking on debt, you'll also need to have a savings strategy for significant non-emergency purchases. Consider your summer vacation as an illustration. It's quite easy. Make a line item for it in your spending plan for the month and divide the total cost of your trip by the number of months you have to save. Since you are no longer in debt, you can now enjoy your vacation without worrying about bringing a credit card bill with you when you return home. You'll be in a position to start investing after you have a sizable emergency fund and a strategy in place for paying for large expenditures. That's all for this video. Hope you learned something new. If yes, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button. If you have any query, then do comment it below. Thank you for watching till here.